QuickBooks Error 6080. 3 Quick Solutions. Solution 1. Run QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 1. Close QuickBooks and open QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 2. If you don't have it, download and install it from the official website. Step 3. In the Tool Hub, select Installation Issues. Step 4. Then, select QuickBooks Install Diagnostic Tool, and the tool can run up to 20 minutes. Step 5. When the tool finishes, restart your computer. Step 6. Open QuickBooks and see if the error is resolved. Solution 2. Copy QB files to a local drive. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button and open File Explorer. Step 2. Locate the QuickBooks files with .qbb and .qbw extensions. Step 3. Copy these files to a local hard drive. Step 4. Now, you need to restore these files. To do this, open QuickBooks and go to the File tab. Step 5. Select Open or Restore Company, then restore a backup copy and click Next. Step 6. Select Local Backup and click Next. Step 7. Browse the file you just copied and click Open. Step 8. Click Next and where do you want to restore the file window. Step 9. Select the location where you want to save the restored file. Step 10. Change the file name and click on Save. Step 11. Once the restoration is complete, press OK on the pop-up window. Step 12. Now, move these restored files back to their original location. Solution 3. Update QuickBooks to the latest release. Step 1. Open QuickBooks Desktop and go to Help. Step 2. Then select Update QuickBooks Desktop. Step 3. In the Overview tab, click on Update Now. Step 4. If you wish to turn on automatic updates, go to Options and select the Automatic Update option. Step 5. When you're ready, go to Update Now, click on Get Updates, and QuickBooks will start downloading updates. Step 6. Once the download is complete, QuickBooks will ask you to restart. Click OK on the pop-up. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746900298 +44 800 0548 150.